Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Learn with fun. Learn with fun. Today I am going to introduce an EPL activity. EPL stands for Exercises of Practical Life. Today's activity is pouring water. This activity is essential for Montessori. You can do it at home with your kids. Things required for this activity are a jug, two identical clear glasses, sponge or a napkin. Please watch the video till end. At the end, I will tell you the purpose of this activity. Let's start the activity. First of all, you have to do this activity same like this in front of your child. Now invite your child to try the activity. Tell the child to fill both glasses equally. Also tell them, during pouring water, if water spills, wipe it with sponge or napkin. Purpose of pouring water activity is to develop fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination, improve concentration and focus, enhance practical life skills and independence, build self-confidence and self-esteem, foster a sense of responsibility and care of material. Thank you for watching. Hope so you enjoyed today's video. Please subscribe my channel for next videos. Allah Hafiz. Take care.